Hi, my name is Kathleen. I came in to see Dr. Frisch. I did the splits. I had 13 black cats. I came home from the grocery store. I had them in the refrigerator, on the shelf, and I tried to get them out, and I pushed one away with my leg and did the splits. And that was really bad. My surgery went well. I did pay attention. I took all my medicine when I was supposed to. So when my medicine was gone, the pain was gone. You do have to do your therapy. You can do your therapy doing dishes, making dinner, but I feel really, really great. Everyone at this office, in this office, has been super nice, very compassionate, very, very nice.